On today's episode of Watch Chair Go, we are down here in beautiful Houston, Texas, where it is, hold on a second, 58 degrees. In Kansas, it's like -5 right now or something. What is going on, guys? I'm Watch Chair Go, and like I said, I'm so happy to be out here where I can wear a t-shirt. And we're here with the Rolls Royce because, of course, we were not going to fail. The car was coming no matter what, even if it broke. So here it is, on a trailer and broken. Let's talk a little bit more about why we're not going to be able to fix this thing this weekend. We were going to give it a shot if it was Driveshaft, but it turns out the entire rear end came out. The CV, the half shaft there, exploded. That's what all the pins were in the street. They weren't actually the U-joints from the drive shaft. They were the U-joints from the CV. And yeah, like, people said that it was weak, and we knew it was weak, but we did the best we could with the time frame we had. It was a very short time frame. We didn't have time to build a 9-inch and all the stuff that we wanted in the car. So we made it work, and we made the thing drive, and we made it do a couple burnouts. And as you can see, there's a little tire right there, but there's a lot of tire right there. So it actually got a pretty nasty burnout out of it for the two that we did. And yeah, under the car here, we haven't really had a chance to look at it because it's so cold that we couldn't, like, there was no motor function in Kansas. It was so cold. So now
got some rubber on the front.
The other side has a bunch of rubber. Nice. So we succeeded. I'd say we definitely won. The sway bar actually sits higher than the, like, centered hole that we had to go through where the drive shaft runs, and it looks like it's just cut like a can opener. I'll try to get the camera in there real fast so you guys can take a look. Things that we thought would happen, and there was nothing we could do. This drive shaft's bigger. Of course, we had it turned, shortened, and balanced and everything, and it's poorly designed from the factory, honestly, just very poorly designed. And we're adding, you know, triple the power, so we'll fix it. We'll get a 9-inch, we'll rock and roll. But for now, let's take a look at that drive shaft, and then let's get over to Cletus and Cars. It's time to have some fun. There's the drive shaft. You can see it hanging down beside the torque arm that looks like it might have bent. There is our drive shaft carnage. That thing is absolutely, it's tapered and all, right on the sway bar. Drive shaft probably broke, causing everything else to break in reality, because man, that is a really clean cut. Sounds great, runs great. Solid car once we sort out the rear end. We knew it was gonna happen.
What up, Scott?
Look at that, what's good, bro? How are you doing?
Pretty good. I want to see you drive.
I know, we want to see it drive too, but we made it to Cletus and Cars. Here is the car. Put the hubcaps on real quick. Nitrous bottle's looking right in there. I didn't even vacuum, it needs cleaned up. It's too bad we can't really do anything with it. It sucked to unload it and have to push it back on. Woo-wee! Anyway, I'm pumped we're here. It's time to go play. Let's go check this out. Oh, look, our favorite people. Check it out.
Yeah.
Couldn't build cars without them. Wow, cool. That is cool. You can't even, it's just shoved right between the seats. It all looks completely stock. Oh, wow. Man. All right, guys, we've got a plan. Since we can't drive the Rolls Royce in the burnout competition, we're gonna hop in there, fire up the Holly, and set up the two-step and everything. Maybe get some tools, pull the exhaust off, and we can make a lot of noise with the thing instead of having that wonderful sounding Flowmaster 50 setup on there. Luckily, the exhaust just unbolts. We got a crowd. Let's start this thing up again. You like it?
Yeah.
There's the dash. You can swipe it if you want.
You want to swipe the dash?
There you go. I love this dash. My favorite thing about the whole car. Okay, the rev limiter's now at 3,400. Let's see what happens. We need more rev limiter. That's pretty cool though. 41? 41? All right, here we go. Try number 2. Look at the thing shaking. 47? 47. 157, try again. Okay, this rev limiter is way too much fun. Still trying to find tools. I've asked a few people. We're gonna turn the two-step back off so we can make some noise close to the real rev limit. Ready? I love it when it's up in that RPM range. These dudes are on their second set of tires. It's impressive. Blowing through them. Another set.
Oh yeah. Yeah, we're getting it down.
I love it. Well, the Rolls may not be doing a burnout today. This is amazing. I love the Mountain Dew Vic. Check out the burnout cars lining up here. Everybody's getting ready. All right, I'm stealing this Honda 150. I have a 100, I've never ridden the 150. Thanks, man.
No problem, I'm Chris. He's just shredding it, dude.
This thing's super fun. This is so much more power than a 100.
Oh yeah.
It's like double the power of the 100 somehow.
He's got 100.
Yeah. Isn't the 100 has like no compression at all and hard to wheelie? Like I have to like pull back and hammer the throttle to wheelie the 100. This is super cool. Thanks, man. I love it. Solid. Well, I brought you a Rolls Royce.
Oh, you got it?
Well, we blew it up doing burnouts right before we put it on the trailer to come down.
Here.
It's here. It's over by the light pole.
At least it's here.
Heck yeah, dude.
All right, I gotta run.
That was awesome. What an insane burnout! That was bad.
Here we go. We got James Dahl in white trash. Let's see what he's got.
Shout out to Texas Speed for letting me stand on their car. This thing is awesome! blew everything, the coolant or something all over the ground. Looks like Justin got his truck fixed. He's heading back out. Let's see what happens. A 6-minute long burnout. Unbelievable. Well, it is getting dark fast here at Houston Raceway Park, and we've been demoing the car all day for everybody. We couldn't find the giant Allen wrench to take the exhaust off because once the car broke, we didn't load up any tools. And I planned on having tools. Could have helped everybody. People needed a jump pack. I was going to bring everything. And of course, we were like, well, there's nothing we can do. So let's just strap the car down. We didn't get to take the exhaust off, even though we've been starting it for everybody all day long. And having a lot of fun showing it off. I think that's it for today. We'll show you guys the jet cars, then we're gonna wrap this thing up. Time to head back to Wichita. It's been a lot of fun here at Cletus and Cars. Rolls Royce, it made it. Broken or not, it made it. Now, we just gotta make the next one. We actually have Texas versus America right now, and it looks like America's winning. Oh, here it comes. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to head on over to shopwatchsharego.com where you can get cool shirts like the one I'm wearing underneath this hoodie. And please, like, share, subscribe, do whatever you want to do, and I will talk to you next time. Also, shout out to 1320 for posting the car. You guys are awesome. It's a cool post. It means a lot. And Motul, and Holly, and everyone else that's posting pictures of the car. Thank you. Well, that's actually a wrap for Cletus and Cars. Everyone's rolling out. It's pretty crazy.